What's up guys, it's Eddie B and today we are in Crystal Hotel in Opatija, where is displayed the biggest model railroad, bigger than a Batsko Mini Express, and we will see how it looks. First of all, what we can see here, down there where is Taurus stationed from OBB, is roundhouse with turntable. What is this? This is a main station, and this is a street trolley or tramway. Look at the amount of details. It is simply amazing. What is this? This is a Shell oil refinery, S oil refinery. This is harbor. Windmill. And this is Hercules passing by. This is stationed passenger train. This one also. This is an amusement park. And yes, well, that's it. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. For more info, go to Eddie B Railroad YouTube channel.